What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap on the Webull desktop platform. Trader stock SQBG. Check it out. All right, guys, we're going to jump into this recap here, and let me tell you something. I got to tell you something. I literally just shot this entire recap. When I got to the end and I clicked stop recording, I realized my mic was muted. The entire recap, guys. I shot the entire recap. My mic was muted. I I don't even have words, man. That's so much work I just put in there, and the mic was muted. It's my own fault for not paying attention. Guys, do me a quick favor, guys. Please smash the absolute nonsense out of the like button on this video, because believe me, the amount of work I've put into this at this point is insane. So please smash that like button. It's going to help out with the YouTube algorithm tremendously. And I need to get my views up here. And I'm posting out some good quality lessons and content here for you guys. So do me that solid, please, because shooting this video 2 times really takes a lot out of me. And I still have one more video to shoot for you guys, which we'll talk about towards the end of this video. So stay tuned to the end, because we're going to talk about the follow-up video to this one, which you're really going to be interested in watching. Now, today started off with SQBG front and center. I tweeted that out with my watch list, SQBG, EVK. I had those two on my watch list, along with BBTH and a couple more small caps. And I also had Tesla on watch, but I never even bothered to look at it. If you have been following me, if you've been a subscriber for some time, you've seen that I trade everything. Everything. In the summertime, people were probably like, oh, just gave up on trading small caps. No, I didn't. They just sucked in the summertime. So what was I trading in the summertime? Tesla. And I was banking. You guys saw me making money, trade after trade after trade after trade, every single day, basically, on Tesla. Mixed in, there was a couple days where I traded some small caps. You could hear my voice getting raspy because I just shot this video. Smash the like button for me. And now small caps are getting hot. Why? Because we're entering this like that little fall winter season where small caps start to go insane. So what have I been trading lately, guys? Small cap low float runners that are gapping up on news. Some not even on news, and I've traded them because the importance of being a versatile trader is absolutely essential for the survival of this game. It just is. In my opinion, being like a one-trick pony, you just trade one type of stock only. You put yourself at a huge disadvantage throughout the year when things are all cyclical, right? Because there's a season where small caps are hot, season where they're not. Season where the large caps are hot, season where they're not. You got to be able to pivot and fight it out and go where the flow of money is going, where the smart money's at. So in the summertime, I was trading large caps. Right before the summer, I was also trading some futures. Now I'm trading small caps, these low flow runners that are making massive moves, and I'm still consistently profitable on all of them. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video here. I tweeted on my watch list. If you don't follow me on Twitter, link in the description section below. Make sure you check that out and follow me there on Twitter so you can stay tuned to my watch list. I post it out pretty much every single morning. Also, newsletter. Also with JesseW.com. That's my website. You go over there, you sign up for the newsletter. It's just once a week, okay? And I'm going to start posting out some real good newsletter action starting off next month. So definitely sign up for it. Also, I have some big news coming up before the end of the year. So if you want to know what that news is, you're going to want to sign up for that newsletter. And let's jump into this. EVK, I didn't trade this. I'm so sad. EVK was right there. Boom. SQBG is what I traded. And today's a real nice day. We're going to go over that here. But EVK, man, it's such a shame that I didn't trade this. But I had already taken a couple trades and was babying or babysitting my GME swing trade, which I closed out today. I closed it out today, and we'll go over that in a video here. But I still banked on it. Now, EVK, look at this thing. Massive move. Okay, massive gap up from $1 and change all the way up here to $2.50-60, right? Like it opened up at $3 and change. I'm sorry, at this first candle, sorry. It opened up at 250 something. You'll see it right here, open 256. And this, that first 3 minute closed up here at 320s. That's ridiculous. I would have been watching for this break over VWAP. This one wouldn't have caught me because I would have been waiting for confirmation of the break. We break here, and I would have waited for a pullback into VWAP. I could have easily gotten long in here at 414 on this tail with a stop under $4, or I might have waited until here. I don't know. Either one of these, either one of this candle or this candle, or one of these two would have been my entry easily. Okay, because I know that would have been the support zone. Now, you know what? Let's do one better. Let's throw out some Fibonacci retracement lines here, and let's see if there would have been one of those in play. Okay, let's see. And at the time, this would have been the high, would have been right there. Oh, look at that, the 23.6 right there. Yep, that's what I would have been waiting for. Oh, that would have been such a beautiful trade, because I would have gotten along in there. Let's say 420, stop underneath $4. First take profit up here at $5. Oh, this would have been a sweet trade. God, small caps are hot, guys. I can't wait to continue taking advantage of these. All right, so EVK, that would have been the trade for me, and I would have been done by $6 easily. I know myself. SQBG was my next trade. Now this looks like a chop mess, and it really is, but I didn't make money on this, and I'm going to show you. Now, I made money on this on Webull using the desktop app, the desktop platform, okay? It's just a downloadable desktop platform that you download for Webull, and you trade on there. I have plenty of money in Webull. The only reason I have the amount I do is because I was taking advantage of a deposit program where they had you deposit X amount of money, you get X amount of free stocks. Dude, I put 25,000 bucks in there, and I'm going to get like 25 free stocks. The minimum value of each one is going to be $8. It's a no-brainer. The money was just sitting in my bank account doing nothing to begin with. So I put money in there, and then I was like, oh, look, the desktop platform. I downloaded it. I was like, I'm going to learn to use it a little bit so I can post videos for you guys on it, right? So I'm still not very familiar with it. Because of that, I trade very small size on it. And well, SQBG. So multiple things here. The theme of this week has been going on about rules. I posted a video on Monday about the importance of day trading rules that you should not break. Make sure you watch that. Follow-up video on Tuesday was showing you in action me not breaking rules. Okay, today is, what's the day? Is it Wednesday or Thursday? Today's Thursday. And yesterday I posted up a couple videos. Real nice day yesterday. I made, what was it, like $700 plus a trade I took the day before and after hours, like almost $800 between those 2 days. Today I'm up over $1,000 on the day. Guys, it's just awesome action going on out there. Now, the importance of the rules. So what am I going to talk about here? I'm going to show you the live trade now, and then the rules. I traded very small. Reason being, I'm trading in a platform I am not familiar with. I'm learning it just so I can make videos for you guys. Okay? It's not like I'm going to switch over to that. I love Street Smart's Edge. So you have that. I don't understand the platform yet because it's new to me. I'm trading very small. It's a super high volatility stock, SQBG. I have to decrease size a little bit because if I, in my mind, think, oh, my stop is 50 cents down, that's the type of stock that can flush 2 points like that on you. You have to decrease size. Now, I decrease size way more than I normally would. In this stock, I probably would have taken 300, 400, 500 shares, depending where I got in. Okay, and depending how volatile it is in the moment. I only took 100 shares on this stock right here, but I still made a real good profit. Now, let me show you this live trade, and then we're going to go over the bigger trade where I made, over $1,000. Okay, now here is the desktop platform. It's just like any other platform. You got your chart. I put my VWAP, my 9 EMA out there. You got your level 2 here, your time and sales. Oh, let me move myself. You got your level 2 right here. You got your time and sales right here. And then today I wanted to test out the hot buttons. Now the hot buttons, you can customize the share size on them. Okay, and here you go. This is the buy on market, sell on market, buy on the ask, sell on the bid. And I only have 100 shares on here because that's what it populates automatically. But you can actually customize that and put 200 shares, 300 shares, 500, 5,000, whatever you want to trade, right? You can put that on there and that's what it's going to be. Now, that would be kind of useless for me in a way because typically speaking, my share size varies depending on the volatility of the stock, where my stop is, stuff like that. But that's pretty cool that it has the hot buttons. I'm sure they can be, customized. Maybe one can add more hot buttons. I would think it's possible. So it's something to look into. I will do a full tutorial as I continue to familiarize myself with the platform. Once I feel comfortable, I'm going to do a full tutorial for you guys on it. So now, SQBG is halted after breaking through VWAP. I really was trying to get it long in here before the halt, but I didn't get to bring the platform up fast enough. I was watching it over on my Street Smarts Edge platform. All right, so here we go. We're going to fast forward it really quickly as it's still halted to get it when it comes out of the halt. Remember, you can download this app. It's the Webull app. Download the app, link in the description section, and right now you're going to get 3 free stocks. You're going to get 1 stock valued between $2 and $250 just for opening an account. No need to put any money in it. But if you put $100, and which one of us doesn't have $100 laying around doing nothing? If you put $100 in the app, you're going to get another 2 free stocks. And those could be valued each between $8 to $1,600. That's a no-brainer, guys. That's 3 free stocks. That's a good dinner. So let's go ahead and take advantage of that. Link in the description section below. And here we go. We're out of the halt. Now, what I was looking for was a dip into VWAP and hold. I wasn't just going to blindly jump in there and buy it because it could have easily flushed down, halted on the way down, gapped down on the resumption, and be a mess. So I was going to wait for it to show me that it was going to be strong and bounce off of that. So here we go. We start to bounce right off of that section, that level that I was eyeing. And I'm like, okay, this looks good. I'm going to jump in there. So boom, right then and there, I'm in. You see it down here, SQBG, 100, just 100 shares at $15.39. That's my entry, $15.39. And now I'm looking for it to hold. If it doesn't hold 15, I'll get out of it. You know, I know I'm going to get a little slippage, but at most I'm going to lose maybe $100 at most. So now I'm just looking to see if we're going to continue to hold it and go. When we get that action right there, I was like, oh, this is sweet because we're going to break over the high of this halt and just boom, 217. And sure enough, here it comes. Look at that. Look at that move. We're going off at 1646. I'm up already over $1 a share on these, and I'm still holding. I'm looking to see if we're going to squeeze and get halted. Right there, we squeeze to 1720. We don't halt. I'm like, okay, bye. And I sell out right there. And I'm glad I sell out right there. Look, right there, you see, sell 100, 1715. In 1539 or something like that, I said, what was it? 1539 out at 1715. Boom, almost a couple $100 right there. And I'll take that any day of the week. And now look what happens here. And this is why it's so important, guys, not to chase these stocks. A lot of people will be like, oh, breakout over high day, anticipation, I'm going to buy here, and I'm going to scalp it for just a quick few pennies, and I'm going to take big size. Dude, that's insanity, because this thing right here, okay, look what it does. You're at 1729 high day. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that drop. Look at this drop. Look at that drop, guys. Over $2 a share drop. Over $2 a share drop. That is a nasty red day for some people. And then we almost halted there. Pop back up a little bit. These are 3-minute candles. Now I switch over to the 3 minutes. Yeah, that's the other thing. Some people will be like, oh, Jesse, but that's a 3-minute candle. I would have had plenty of time on a 1 minute. No. Those are 1-minute candles. That is a 1 minute 2-point candle. Look at it right down here. Oh, wait, let me move myself again for you. Look at it right. Look at my mouse. You see my mouse? Look at it right here. 1 minute. Now look at it. I switch over to 3 minute right there. And I trade on 3 minutes. It was on the 1 minute accidentally because, like I said, I don't know this platform very well yet. So there you have it, guys. Be very, very, very careful trading these stocks. Okay. So right there, a couple $100, not bad at all. I'm not going to complain about that. That's a real nice little green day. But I also was closing out my GME swing trade. Didn't go all the way where I wanted it to go, but I still booked over $1,000 on that one, and we are going to do a video on that one here soon. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload that video, okay? So I hope you're having a great day. Let me know how you've been doing. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me, okay? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.